Solve in R each of the following inequalities. Right here, in order to solve this inequality, I have to find first of all the roots. You can use the calculator, of course, and you will get that x equal 1 or x equals to 3. But since 1 is a root, then x minus 1 is a factor. The second factor will be x minus 3. The leading coefficient is 1, so right here it will be 1. Now let's set up the table of signs. X minus infinity plus infinity. Of course, we know that 1 is less than 3 from left to right. It will be like that. Now, this is the first factor, which is x minus 1. X minus 3 is the second factor. And here we have x squared minus 4x plus 3, or the product of the factors. The root of x minus 1 is 1. The root of x minus 3 is 3. The sign according to opposite, which is positive, the opposite of positive is negative. Positive, positive. Also right here I have positive, then it will be negative, negative, positive, and the sign will be like that. Since I'm dealing with a polynomial, so right here we don't have restrictions, it will be 0. Now the inequality is less than or equal. Less than is right here between these two values, which is between 1 and 3. Right here we have the expression equal to 0. We have or equal to 0, then 1 and 3 are excluded, and the interval will be 1 and 3. Now, for the second inequality, in order to get rid of the absolute value, I have to make squaring for both sides. But first of all, let's simplify it. I have right here 2 and 4. Then let's divide both sides by 2, and we'll get that x minus 3 is greater than or equal 2 into x plus 2. Making square for both sides, it will be like that, since we are sure that both sides are positive, and we'll get that x minus 3 squared is greater than or equal to 4 into x plus 2 squared. Now I'm going to move them to one side by subtracting minus 4 into x plus 2 squared from both sides, and I will get 0 in the second side. Right now I have a squared. It's a squared minus b squared. Then it will be a minus b, which is a minus b into a plus b. Now let's simplify it. X minus 3 minus 2x minus 4 into x minus 3 plus 2x plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. X minus 2x is minus x minus 7 into 3x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Right now we have product of two first degree polynomials. We can study the sign by finding the roots. I have to freeze the inequality. I will get right here the root of this factor will be x equals to negative 7, and the root right here is x equals to negative 1 over 3, solving it equal to 0. Set up the table of signs. Then x minus infinity plus infinity, the roots are negative 7 and negative 1 over 3. Of course, negative 7 is less than negative 1 over 3. And here we have the factors, minus x minus 7, 3x plus 1, and right here I have the product. So the root of negative x negative 7 is negative 7. The root of 3x plus 1 is right here. Let's study the sign. Opposite of negative 1 will be positive, negative, and the opposite of positive 3 is negative, then right here will be positive. The product will be, right here it will be negative, positive, then negative. And here we have roots. Since we are talking about the inequality greater than or equal to 0, then this is the interval. Of course, we have or equal, then these two values are included, -7 and -3, and the interval will be x belongs to -7 -1 over 3.